Welcome back. Surprise, surprise, more fridge balls. We're gonna see what we can get. So we're making pretty good progress on getting most of all of them. So I'm kind of excited for that. I'm gonna have a small army of these white plastic. Oh, we got a duplicate of our ABC. They don't stick to the side now, it's just the door. Okay. Green, green, yellow, yellow, yellow. Alright. So let's see what's in our first package. And maybe I'll do 3 balls today. I'm feeling, ooh, lobster. Feeling like I wanna, okay, I've had enough of the turmeric. I feel like I'm gonna paint some of those bottles, maybe change the label. Same with the oats. What would be, oh, more eggplant. Okay. Could it be the thick cut bacon or is it regular bacon? Thick cut bacon, score. That is one we needed. And we got a, ooh, another soy sauce. And then, maybe it's an IHOP meal. Oh, and it's the pancakes. We didn't have the pancakes. Score. Now, never been to an IHOP, but do we even have those in Canada? I don't know. I know we don't have one in Grand Prairie. I don't know if I've ever actually seen one in Edmonton. So I don't think we do. Yeah, you know what? I think I might do 3 balls in this video. Alright. Oh, we got another ABC. Alright. Still really would like to get some eggs for the fridge. I think this is another lobster. I'm getting really good at feeling what they are. Yep, another lobster. Water bottle. They're also bendy, which kind of creeps me out a little. Oh, leg cramp. And another oats. Alright. Pizza. And of course the question of the day, is it cheese, Hawaiian, or pepperoni? Why did I even try to not use this? Can never get them open. We got Hawaiian. Okay. This is a funky shape. I hear rattling, so it can't be eggs. Oh, Chinese food. Ooh, broccoli. Beef broccoli, maybe? That is so cute. And then, oh, we got more cream cheese. Cool. Alright. So, with, I think these ones are just, maybe they're new? Yeah, because it's down here too. I have no idea. Alright, so we got the IHOP pancakes. Still need eggs. And now we got, so we're only missing one of the Chinese foods. That's a bonus. Oh, we got the thick cut, wait. Oh, no, this is still, we got the apple, but we don't have the original. Got all excited for that. And we didn't get new magnets. We still didn't get the Pizza Hut wings. Or the Okay. So, fingers crossed. Let's let's do one more. Maybe two more balls. Let's see. Alright, we're gonna go with two more balls for this video. And see what I end up with. Alright. Let's try this guy first. I need to empty that soon. And unfortunately, our main garbage for outside was really full after we cleaned the garage. And we don't want to do a dump run in the middle of the week. But I'm feeling like we might have to. Okay, and we got a cronut. Alright, so let's start off with our green packages. I'm just going to lift you up a little bit more so you get more. What did we get? Oh, another little bottle of milk. Broccoli. I guess I'll keep it up here for now. Oats. Man, I've lost track of how many of those I have had. Okay, and this would be... Oh, we got the original bacon. Score. Okay, now we do have both bacon. Still want my eggs, though. Another tub of Cool Whip. Does this open? Sometimes they open, so... And then, what do we got here? Ooh, bagel bites. Alright. Ooh, you feel like you got some weight in you. I bet you got a bigger one. Maybe you have eggs. If you pick up a few of these, you'll know, like, the one that I had the pudding in, it definitely had a fair amount of weight to it. And I didn't check with the balls. I just counted what was already in the box from Walmart, and I just shoved a bunch more in. So, I wasn't really paying attention about the feel of them. It usually happens the first time that I find them and I get excited, so. Alright, we got another cronut. Holy Toledo. Okay. Well, this one rattles. I think it's a fruit tray, though. It is a fruit tray. And I can see the yellow already. Another turmeric. What the heck is this anyway? Like, I've never... The only thing I know, if you have, like, kidney issues, turmeric is not a good option. My one friend only has one kidney. And, so... Oh, look, another little soy sauce. So, not my eggs by the feel of these packages, but we... Oh, we got the strawberry syrup. Okay, so we got original bacon, strawberry syrup, and applewood smoked bacon. Oh, no, more original. Okay. I will take it. Still getting new stuff, so that's all that matters to me. Working our way down the list. It'd actually be really cool if I could get everything that's on this list. But with the way my magnets are going, probably not all the magnets. Alright, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.